Sai Ram, one and all. So in the previous class, we had seen the first part of the folk play. King Shuddhodana is on the throne and the court proceeding was going on. All the ministers and courtiers were seated there, and God brought the information that who came? Devadatta. Devadatta came and he wanted to see the king, meet the king. So the king allowed him to come in. He entered. So who went to the king to complain? What's the answer? Yes, Devadatta went to the king to complain. What was his complaint? Yes, his complaint was that Siddhartha took his swan. Am I right? Siddhartha was not ready to hand over the swan which he had shot. Correct? Who shot the swan? Devadatta shot the swan. Then why did he say that the swan was his? Because he had shot the swan. Where did it fall? It fell near Siddhartha. What did Siddhartha do? He picked up the swan. Am I right? Correct. Now come to the next part. Now the king asked Siddhartha to come. He came holding the swan. He entered the court hall. Then, but he says that the swan was his as he saved it. He was not ready to give the swan to Devadatta. Correct? So the king, be calm, Devadatta. You say that the swan is yours because you shot it. Is that right? Is that right? Who said? King said. King said to Devadatta. King said to Devadatta. What did he say? Is that right? It's in direct speech. So how to change it in direct speech? King, it is a question. You can asking a question, not saying a question. Am I right? So asked or inquired, you can use it. Asked whom? Devadatta. Asked Devadatta. Now join these two parts. It is a question. What kind of question? Questions are of two types. One yes or no type question, another one WH question. WH question requires long answer, informative questions. Correct? Then it is a yes or no type question. So yes or no type question takes the conjunction if or whether. Whether, see the spelling whether. Whether is that becomes that is. Question becomes a statement. Change the question into a statement. So is that becomes that is. Subject comes first, verb comes next. So that remains same whether that. Said past tense, verb present tense. So as this one is in past tense, you have to change it into corresponding past. So is becomes was. Whether that was right. Full stop. Correct? Whether that was correct. So king asked him, is that right? Yes, that is right. So Devdutt says, yes, yes sir, that is quite right. That is absolutely correct. That is entirely right. That is rather right. That is completely correct, sir. Quite. What's the participation of quite? Quite, Q-U-I-T-E. Quite means rather. Quite means entirely. Quite means completely. Absolutely. Quite right. It is right. Right question. Quite is adverb. Now, king says, what do you say, Siddhartha? What's your opinion, Siddhartha? Why do you say that the swan is yours? Why do you claim that the swan is yours? How do you say that the swan is yours? A swan, a hamsa, nindanta hege helti? Siddhartha nantra keltane. Why do you say that the swan is yours? Siddhartha says, Your Majesty, Devdutt shot this swan. Devdutt had shot this swan, indirect. Devdutt had shot that swan, indirect. But, conjunction, joining word. But I saved its life. I saved its life. Passive C. I saved its life. Active. Its life. Past tense. Past tense means be form was or were. Its life means singular. So was. Its life was. Save, save, saved. Past participle. Saved. Its life was saved by me. Passive. Its life was saved by me. I saved its life. But I saved its life. That is why it is mine. See the word there. Its. Its means adara. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ವರ್ಡ್ ಉಂಟು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟದ್ದು. ಓ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಅಪೋಸ್ಟ್ರಫಿ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ. ಇಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಪೋಸ್ಟ್ರಫಿ ಇದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಅದರ. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ನೇಮ್. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಮೈನ್. ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ವೈ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಮೈನ್. ಸೊ ಐ ಕ್ಲೈಮ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಮೈನ್. ಸೊ ವೈ ಡಿಡ್ ಹಿ ಕ್ಲೈಮ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ದ ಸ್ವಾನ್ ವಾಸ್ ಹಿಸ್? Siddhartha's? Because he had saved its life. Clear? Now, here, some ministers say, here, king, listen, Siddhartha. A Kshatriya cannot, a Kshatriya, he was a Kshatriya can't give up what he has shot. Do you agree with me? A Kshatriya cannot give up what he has shot. What has he shot? He has shot the swan. What he has shot, full stop is there. It is not a question. What has he shot is a question. Correct? So, a Kshatriya can't give up. Give up means abandon. Give up means leave. Give up means stop. Give up means admit defeat. A Kshatriya cannot admit defeat. ಅವನು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬಿಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕೆ? ಕ್ಷತ್ರಿಯ ಗುಣ ಅದು. He can't give up. What? he has shot. ಅವನು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬಿಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ. ವೈ? ಬಿಕಾಸ್ he is a ಕ್ಷತ್ರಿಯ. ಕ್ಷತ್ರಿಯ ಗುಣ, ಕ್ಷತ್ರಿಯ, ಅದನ್ನು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬಿಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ ಅವ. ಡು ಯು ಅಗ್ರಿ ವಿತ್ ಮೀ? ಸಿದ್ಧಾರ್ಥನ ಹತ್ರ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಡು ಯು ವೆದರ್ ಯು ಅಗ್ರೀಡ್ ವಿತ್ ಮೀ? ಇಂಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಸೊ he asked him whether he had agreed with him. Do you agree with me? Siddhartha, yes, I do, sir. Yes, I agree with you, sir. Do, sir means yes, I agree with you, sir. It is correct, sir. What you say is correct. I agree. But a Kshatriya cannot give up a suppliant either. You know it? A Kshatriya cannot, I am also a Kshatriya, cannot give up, cannot leave, cannot stop, cannot abandon. What? A suppliant either. Suppliant meaning is given there. What is a suppliant? A person seeking something humbly. One who asks for something humbly, in a humble manner. Asking humbly, suppliant means asking humbly. A person who begs or prays for something. A person who begs for or prays for something is a suppliant. A single word is petitioner. Petitioner. So the swan came to me begging to protect it, to save it. So I should. How did it come? It came humbly. It requested me politely, in a humble manner. So a Kshatriya cannot give up a suppliant either. So I cannot leave. Why? Because it came for protection. It requested me humbly. This swan came to me for protection. It wants to live. So I cannot leave it. I cannot give it up. Give up. Frame on sentence. Give up. We should not give up our efforts. Though we fail many times, we should not give up our efforts. Try and try until you get success. What should you do? We should not give up. We should give up our bad habits. Correct? Then Siddhartha, Devdatta, Your Highness, Your Majesty, this is injustice. So I came here. This is injustice. This is not justice. I shot the swan. The swan was shot by me. I shot the swan, correct? So it's mine. It belongs to me. It is my swan. Why? Because I shot it. He shot it. King, well, boys, who are the boys here? The two princes. Who are they? Devdatta and Siddhartha. My boys, well, boys, I am puzzled. Puzzle means confused. I am puzzled. I am confused. So the king was completely confused by the argument of these two boys. It is a strange case. It is. Strange means unusual. Strange case. Strange, unusual. Not common, uncommon. Not a simple. It's a strange case. It's a new case. I don't know how to decide it. So the king, for the king, it is a complicated case. It is a difficult case. It is a puzzle. It is a strange case. So he was unable to decide the case, unable to solve the problem. He could not understand how to solve the problem. I don't know how to decide it. To the minister, he turned towards his minister and said, can you help me? The king asked the minister whether he could help him. Me becomes him, can becomes could. So can you help me? Whether he could help him. Chief Minister, I'll try. Your Highness, Your Majesty, I will try it. He didn't say, I can do it. I can solve it. He said, I will try. ನಾನು ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. So I will try it. That means the minister said that he would try to decide it. Indirect. So he felt very happy. What did he say, king? Very well. Appreciated him. Then, please go ahead. The king asked the minister to go ahead. Ahead means forward, means go forward, continue. You have my permission, so you continue. Decide the case. That's the meaning. Go ahead, chief minister. Now, it is the turn of the chief minister to solve the problem. He has to set the background. Correct? So, what did he say? Chief minister, Prince Siddhartha, he called both of them. And Prince Devadatta, please listen to me. So, the chief minister asked the two boys to listen to him. Prince Devadatta says that the swan is his because he had shot it. Am I right? And Prince Siddhartha says that it is his because he saved its life. Am I right? Am I right? In indirect, whether he was right. Am I right? Yes, you are right. Now next, see. Siddhartha and Devadatta, both of them answered, yes, you are right. Yes, what you are saying is correct. What you say is correct. Yes, we agree. Chief Minister, good, very good. Appreciated the boys, good. Now Prince Siddhartha, please put the swan on this stool. So there was a stool. Siddhartha was holding the swan. The minister asked Siddhartha to keep the swan. Put means keep. Keep the swan on that particular stool. Correct? ಅದನ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ಸ್ಟೂಲ್ನ ಮೇಲೆ ಇಡು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. Siddhartha puts the swan on the stool. He follows the order given by the minister in front of the king. So he keeps the swan on the stool and goes back to his place. He occupied his place. He went there, leaving the swan on the stool. The swan is frightened and keeps looking at Siddhartha. It is frightened. It is afraid of whom? Whom? Devadatta. Devadatta was also standing there. It was afraid of. Why? Because the person who saved its life left it on the stool and went away. Went there. So it had the feeling that nobody is there to save it, protect it. So it is frightened. It is frightened and keeps looking at Siddhartha. Why? He saved it. He has motherly love. He has love and affection. He showed his kindness to whom? That bird. So that bird recognized it. ಸಣ್ಣ ಮಗುವಿಗೆ ಜೋರು ಮಾಡಿದರೆ, ಬಿದ್ದರೆ, ನೋವಾದರೆ ಯಾರ ಕಡೆಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ? ಅಪ್ಪ ಹೊಡೆದ್ರು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ ಯಾರ ಕಡೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ? ಅಮ್ಮನ ಕಡೆಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ. ಯಾಕೆ? ಇಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ದ ಫೀಲಿಂಗ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಅಮ್ಮ ವುಡ್ ಸೇವ್ ಮೀ, ಅಮ್ಮ ವುಡ್ ಕಮ್ ಟು ಮೈ ಸೈಡ್, ಅಮ್ಮ ವುಡ್ ಪ್ರೊಟೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮೀ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಲುಕ್ಸ್ ಎಟ್, ಇಟ್ ಗೋಸ್, ಇಟ್ ರಶಸ್ ಟವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಮದರ್. Correct? Only mother can give that love and affection. That child knew it, knows it, will know it. Am I right? Then, now see. The swan is frightened and keeps looking at Siddhartha. Chief Minister, Prince Devadatta, ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ? Prince Devadatta, please come forward and ask the swan to come to you. So, Devadatta was given a chance, first chance to call the swan near him. ಕರಿ ಅದನ್ನು, ನೀನು ಕರಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ದೇವದತ್ತನ ಹತ್ರ. ದೇವದತ್ ಫೆಲ್ಟ್ ವೆರಿ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ. ಕಮಿಂಗ್ ಫಾರ್ವರ್ಡ್, opposite backward, coming forward. What did he say? Come to me, O swan. Come, come, he said. Come to me, O swan. Come, come. The swan, what was the reply of swan? Did it come to him? No. It could identify the person who tried to, who shot it. So what did he? The swan trembles, shivering, ನಡುಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, and cries with fear. So what was the reaction of the swan when Devdutt called it? It trembled and cried with the fear. ಬರಲೇ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಕೂಗಿತದು, ಹೆದರಿಕೆ ಆಯಿತು, ಭಯ. ಚೀಫ್ ಮಿನಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಎಂಟರ್ಡ್. That will do, Prince Devdutt, enough. Now it is your turn. Turn means T-U-R-N. Turn means chance. Turn means Saradi. It is your turn. Whose turn? Siddhartha's turn to call the swan. Prince Siddhartha, please come and call it. Devdutt goes back and Siddhartha comes forward. ಅವನು ಮುಂದಕ್ಕೆ ಬರ್ತಾನೆ. ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದ ಸಿದ್ಧಾರ್ಥ? Going near the swan, he was very kind. He was very humble. He had humiliation. He had humbleness, humility. What did he say? Dear swan, the word, pleasing word, pleasant word, is not dear swan, don't be afraid. So he asked the swan, Siddhartha told the swan, don't be afraid. Don't be afraid. Correct? Don't be afraid. Direct speech. How to change it in direct? So what kind of sentence is it? It is imperative sentence. ಹೆದರಬೇಡ, ನಾನಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಸೊ ಸಿದ್ಧಾರ್ಥ correct, asked, you can use this one also, asked whom the swan. First write the negative word. ಇಂಥ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಬಂದರೆ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್, ನಾಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಮೊದಲು ಬರಬೇಕು. ನಾಟ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಅಫ್ರೈಡ್, ಹೆದರಬೇಡ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ನಾಟ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಅಫ್ರೈಡ್. ಡೋಂಟ್ ಕಮ್, ನಾಟ್ ಟು ಕಮ್. ಡೋಂಟ್ ಎಂಟರ್, ನಾಟ್ ಟು ಎಂಟರ್. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್? ಸೊ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಬಿ ಅಫ್ರೈಡ್, ಹೆದರಬೇಡ ನೀನು. ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಕಮ್ ಟು ಯು, ನಾನು ಬಂದಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ನಾನು ಯಾರು? ಸಿದ್ಧಾರ್ಥ. ನಾನು ಯಾರು? ಕೈಂಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್, compassionate man, humble man. Correct? So he has mercy. That's why the unit name is quality of mercy. So I have come to you. Come and sit on my arms. Come and come and sit on my arms, he said. The swan at once, immediately it was waiting for that opportunity. He didn't waste time. Immediately, what did he? Flies onto Siddhartha's arms. ಹೇಳಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಫುಲ್ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಕೊಡ್ಲಿಲ್ಲವ, ಬಂದು ಕೂತಾಯ್ತು ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ. Why? Because it knew that he was humble, he has mercy, he could save him or it. Fly, flew, flown. Correct? Once, at once, immediately, at once means immediately, flies onto Siddhartha's arms. Chief Minister said, everyone observed this one. Chief Minister to the king, turning towards the king, the Chief Minister said, what is to the king? Your Highness, Your Majesty, what is? The swan has decided the case. The minister didn't say, I decided the case, I solved the problem, but he said that the swan had decided the case. He gave the credit to the swan. The swan has decided the case. The swan had decided the case, solved the problem. King, it has indeed means really, it has decided the case. The swan has decided the case. And we accept the decision. The decision is accepted by us. We should accept. We should not accept, opposite, reject. The swan rejected Devadatta. Swan accepted Siddhartha. We accept the decision of the swan. We accept acceptance noun, accept verb, accepted verb. The swan belongs to Prince Siddhartha. So the king put, Shuddhodana put the royal seal to the decision of whom? The swan. Igadu kanunaitu. The swan belongs to Prince Siddhartha. Announce the decision. All the people who were present in the court hall, they shouted, long live Prince Siddhartha. All the people were in favor of Siddhartha, means were in favor of mercy. The quality of mercy is highlighted here. The quality of mercy is valued here. The quality of mercy is the deserved quality. So what should we have? We should have the quality of mercy, the quality of compassion, the quality of generosity, the quality of simplicity, the quality of kindness, the quality of righteousness, the quality of appreciation. Correct? Then we can be loved, appreciated by all. Correct? Then, so long live King Prince Siddhartha. I think you understood the play, very simple play. Correct? Then there is a value in that. There is a model, there is a theme which everyone could imbibe, cultivate. Okay? Now, I think you got the question answer also. Next session we shall discuss the grammar part. Okay? Saira.